Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, August 20th, and I'm going to be analyzing Bitcoin, starting on the weekly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the weekly, I definitely think this looks like a 1, 2, 3. I think this is our wave 4 right here. We did go down to the 50% and grab this nice little rally-based rally area, so I think there's a pretty good chance that this is going to start a uptrend for wave 5, which most likely will take out the high of wave 4. So let's take it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I think what happened is we have a 5-wave correction. It looks like an ABCDE to me. Nice Fibonacci bounce. We grabbed this area that I had marked out. I think likely we're already in that wave 5. I think this is like a 1 of 5. We're probably in a wave 2 of 5, and we're probably eventually going to go up and make a 3, a 4, and a wave 5 of wave 5, like what I was showing on the weekly time frame. So taking it down to the 4-hour time frame, I was thinking that the correction was possibly over yesterday when I made my video, but looking at price action, I'm not really convinced about that anymore. Probably it is likely a wave 1. I did notice that crypto does kind of have a tendency to sometimes drag out its corrections way longer than you would expect them to. So I think at this point it probably is still a wave 2. It probably is going to go down to at least a 50%. Probably grab these lows right here before it actually does end up going back up for a wave 3. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, like I said, I thought this was the end of an ABC correction yesterday. It definitely made 3 waves down. It actually looks like a very, very clear pattern. So if this does make a higher low and start to turn back up, I probably would go long because it does definitely look like the end of a correction. But looking across the board at other crypto pairs, I think at this point it probably is going to stretch out into a bigger correction, like more like an ABCDE type correction, maybe go down to the 50%, probably grab all these lows so that way it stops everybody out that tried to go long at the end of what looked like an ABC correction. Probably going to stretch out into an ABCDE correction before it actually does end up continuing the uptrend. I still think this is a wave 1, I still think this is a wave 2, and I still think eventually we're going to go up for a wave 3, and this is all actually subdivisions of a wave 5 on the much, much higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner, and as always, thank you and happy trading.